The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to our computer class. How are you all? Fine. Okay, as you know, now the pandemic situation is going worse, right? So you have to be very careful about your health. Yes? So make sure that you are following a healthy diet. Okay, have more vegetables, avoid junk foods and use sanitizer, use mask when you go out. Okay. Then, happy to know that most of you did your activities well. Yes? Others do it on time. Okay. So on the last class, we have discussed about the introduction of our chapter. Do you remember the chapter name? Yes, Windows 7. What is Windows? Windows is an operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is the bridge between the hardware and software. So in this session, we are going to see 3 new topics. Windows desktop, background, screensaver and Windows kernel. Let's see. Yes, are you ready? Yes. Yes. Before entering to the session, have you heard about booting? You know what is booting? Booting is the process of loading operating system onto the computer. Yes, when we start our computer, we cannot directly enter to the desktop. Yes, it will take some time, right? So, that time is what? Booting. That means it is loading the operating system onto the computer. So, after booting, we can see our Windows desktop. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ബൂട്ടിംഗ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ ലോഡ് ആവണം അല്ലേ. നമ്മൾ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ സ്വിച്ച് ഓൺ ചെയ്തതും ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഈ സ്ക്രീൻ കാണാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഇല്ല, കുറച്ച് സമയം എടുക്കും. സോ എന്താ സമയം? ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലോട്ട് ലോഡ് ആവാനുള്ള സമയമാണ്. സോ അത് തന്നെയാണ് ബൂട്ടിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. സോ ടുഡേ വി വിൽ സീ our new topics. Okay. First, Windows desktop background. You know what is desktop background? I know you already studied this in the 3rd standard, right? Now, in this session, we are going to see how to change this on the computer. Okay. So, first we will see how to change the desktop background. So, desktop background means background of the Windows desktop. Background picture. That means, see, നമ്മൾ ഒരു സ്ക്രീൻ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ഒരു ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് വരുമല്ലേ, ഈ പിക്ചർ വരുമല്ലേ, ഇതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് പിക്ചർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ഈ സ്ക്രീനിൽ ഏതാണ് ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് പിക്ചർ? നമ്മുടെ വിൻഡോസിന്റെ ലോഗോ. നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലേ, 3rd standard ഇത് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ദ ലോഗോ ഓഫ് വിൻഡോസ് ആൻഡ് ദിസ് പിക്ചർ ഈസ് വാട്ട് ഹിയർ desktop background. Okay, now we will see how to change this desktop background. Okay, so first you have to right click on the desktop. Okay, then go to the last option, personalize. Click on it, you will get the personalized window. See, and here we have a option desktop background. Yes, now we have here picture location and some pictures, then picture position. So in picture location, we have some options where the pictures are stored. Okay, ഈ ഫോൾഡേഴ്സിലൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കും പിക്ചേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. സോ ഇതിൽ നമുക്ക് ഏത് വേണമെങ്കിലും സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. Now I am selecting Windows desktop backgrounds and here are some pictures. Now you have to select any one picture. Okay, see, and next you have to set the picture position. So again here also we have some options. So here I am clicking the stretch. Okay, then at last you have to click on Save Changes and close the window. Now you can see that background changed, right? Children, clear how to change the desktop background? Next, how to change the Windows color. What is Windows color? Color of Start button, taskbar and border of the open window. So Windows color means color of Start button, taskbar and border of any open window. Okay, so now we will see how to change this Windows color. Okay, again right click on the desktop, go to last option, personalize, click on it. See, next to desktop background we have option window color. Yes, click on it. See, there are so many colors, right? So you can select any one. Now I am selecting red. Can you see the change? Yes. And here you can change the color intensity. Color intensity means increasing or decreasing the brightness of the color. Now see this, as I move this icon, see the color change. Yes, can you see? Yes, right. And at last we have to click on Save Changes. Okay, and close the window. See this, taskbar color also changed. Right. Now next is Screen Saver. Screen Saver means a picture or moving picture. It appears when the computer is idle. For example, if you are working in a paint and you are not doing anything for some time, you are not touching the keyboard and you are not touching the mouse, then the computer will be idle, right? So the screensaver means the picture or the moving picture, it appears when the computer is idle. നമ്മൾ കുറച്ചു നേരം ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാതിരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ ഒരു പിക്ചർ വരും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു മൂവിംഗ് പിക്ചർ വരും. സോ അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ സ്ക്രീൻ സേവർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So you can set the screensaver as you want. Now we will see how to set the screensaver. Yes, you have to right click on the desktop and select the personalize option. And see on the last we have the option screensaver. Yes, click on it and we will get the screensaver window. Yes, now when you click this button you will get so many options. So you can select any one. For example, here I am selecting bubbles. Yes, can you see here? If you want to see it in a big screen, you can click preview. That right? Yes, can you see the bubbles? Yes, this is what screensaver. Yes, so you can set anything. If you want your name as the screensaver, you can click on 3D text and go to settings. Here you can type your name. Okay. And click on OK button. Yes, you can see your name here. Okay, then click apply. Yes, and close the window. Okay children, I hope you understood the session well. Yes, now we'll see the answers for the last activities. Yes, these are the answers for the last session activities. First, examples of application software. Paint and Notepad. See the spelling. Then, example of system software. Operating system. Here we have two types of operating systems, Windows and Unix. Which is the most commonly used operating system? Windows. Very good. Windows is the most commonly used operating system. Yes. Now, I'll give you today's activity. Children, so today's activity is take your textbook page number 14. Okay, so see here activity is true or false. So you have to do first 4. Okay, so read the sentence and mark it either true or false. So children, I hope you understood the session well. Yes, so if you have any queries, contact me. Do the activities on time. Okay, and watch the videos regularly. Yes, so be safe, be happy. Thank you.